FitNESS is one of the largest e-learning platforms on food packaging globally. It is accessible without needing an account, and anyone can duplicate it. To access any of the lectures, first visit fitness-foodpackaging.com. Click on the FitNESS platform button and proceed to access training content. Now click on the book icon in the top left and extend all the topics under lectures. Let's say we want to educate ourselves on plastic packaging. We navigate to Packaging Materials, where we find the plastic lecture. We click on it and continue to read the lecture. The lectures can be navigated using the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard or by pressing the arrows in the bottom right corner of the screen. Some lectures are text-based and can easily be navigated by scrolling and using the provided links. Certain lectures also have a video recording. This can be accessed by navigating to the first slides and pressing down. Click on the videos link to watch the video lecture. The FitNESS platform offers various tracks for specific roles in the food packaging industry. To track your progress, you will need to create a profile by completing a first assessment. Enter your details and click Validate and Save to continue with the assessment. After completion, you can see your detailed results, which will automatically be downloaded. At the bottom of the page, you will find the encoded profile identifier. Copy it and open your profile page. Here, you can paste the profile identifier to log in and see your progress on the various tracks. FitNESS is a lot more than just a training platform. We have organized many webinars and training sessions and recommend browsing through past events on our website and watching the recordings of expert talks. All these presentations can also be found on our YouTube channel. Visit our website and get started now, and follow our social media channels to stay up to date.